Okay, so good day everyone and welcome to our video. For this topic, we will going to do is to create or add a new song here in Easyworship. The Easyworship is a current used worship software presentation to air or to flash the lyrics on the church congregation using the projector or TV screen. So all you have to do to add or a new song, or if you have a songs that lack or missing, all you have to do is click new button, then click new song. Now put the title first there, like this one. Now you can click here or you can click there. When you open, the song editor appears. It looks like a PowerPoint. Now to add the new slide, all you have to do is click to add slide by plus, or you can press Control Enter on your keyboard, or you can click this one. Yes. Now you can put the cursor here or there. Now I can pick up this lyrics here in this one. Copy. So you can copy paste or you can type a song manually. Now click to add slide by click the plus sign like this one. I will correct this later. Okay, so when you finish, you type the song, you can click OK, and then all you have to do is how to present with backgrounds. You can put here in the schedule tab, then click media to pick up the backgrounds or loops, or you can choose image like this one. You can drag here to add the background. As you can see, this preview window, here's the preview window. Now we will go live using your TV screen or projector's congregation screen. So you can click go live to air the slides like this. Now, then next slide, then next line. When you finish the song, especially during instrumental break, all you have to do to clear the lyrics, you can click clear and return if the song is played. Yes. Now the point is this: when we go live, as you can see, there's a logo, the Easyworship logo watermark, which means the program is not purchased. So if you wish to remove the watermark, as you can see, the Easyworship logo located at the center of your live output screen, you must purchase it and register before the logo disappeared on the live output screen. Remember? So that's all for today. So thank you so much for watching on how to create a new song on this popular worship software is Easyworship. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget like, share, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and see you again for the next video. Goodbye everyone.